Hello, I'm Sahil Goye. Today I'm going to present my optional activity number 2, that is the industrial visit, where we visit a thermal power plant present at a Talwandi. So here it is a control room. Near about all plant is automated. So the engineering authorities present in this room are operating the all plant, and according to that, generation of electricity and distribution is happening. This power plant is allotted to the Vedanta company. This power plant generating 1980 megawatts of power, means 20% of power supply for state is fulfilled by this plant only. This one is a unit number 1. Here we are able to see how much power we are generating, what at what frequency it is there, and all this unit number 1 and all this plant is digitally operated. So the power plant is a thermal power plant generating the electricity from coal. So coal handling is the one of the main aspect for the power plant. Here the plant this plant requires a 7.7 million ton coal per annum, and this coal is here carried with the help of a wagon, which is fully filled with the coals. It is a wagon tippler, which is drawing the coal on a conveyor belt. What you are able to see now, the water spray, it is a pre-wetting process where the dust separation of coal is done. Here it is a conveyor belt for coal, which is carrying their coal towards the boiler. Then this power plant have a four yards for coal, where they stocking a coal. They keep 1 month stock for a coal. As per the requirement, take a reclaimer who load the coal on a conveyor belt towards the power plant. This coal is done with a dust separation process, and then only it is passed towards the boilers. Water reservoir, it is one of the main resource for plant. They done demineralization by RO plant for improving the quality of water. This water carried towards the boiler. After burning the coal, because of a water get converted into steam, and then this steam strikes on a turbine. Because of this, turbine gets some energy at its and then the generator steam is strike on a turbine. Because of this, turbine gets some energy and it get rotate, which is connected to the generator. Because of which the electricity get produced. This electricity is produced at a low voltage. For transmitting it, 24 kilovolts converted into the 400 kilovolts by step up transformer, so energy losses are get reduced. This one is a transmission tower who are transmitting electricity towards the different substations. Conveyor belt draws coal here in the crusher, uh, having capacity of 8 to 10 hours nearly this in this bunker. Then coal get in a powder form in a mill and then pass towards the boiler. As you see, red classifier there because of powder form. Surface area get increase and complete combustion is done. This boiler, it is about 80-meter tall. Here water get converted into the steam because of a burning coal, because of that energy. It is a steam pipeline which is carried from a boiler to turbine. Steam temperature is near in this pipeline. The steam temperature is near about the 570 degrees Celsius. This pipeline is insulated for avoiding the loss of temperature and efficiency. As if that temperature get reduced towards the turbine, the energy loss will happen and desired electricity will not get generated. Here you are able to see the boiler on a top floor from a top floor. These boilers are hang from the top. They don't have a base because of expansion. It is in the case of operations, the expansion is done from the top to the bottom because of energy in the boiler, and all the four walls of a boiler are of the water wall having the tubes from which steam is passing. Here it is a cooling tower. After rotating the turbine, the remaining steam is filled in a condenser for reusing the water for a boiler. For cooling the condenser, water from reservoir is drawn. After cooling the steam, water have some heat this water pass towards the cooling tower. The water falls from the top of a cooling tower. Air And from that cooling tower, the air pass from the bottom of that tower, cooling the water, and because of this action, water gets evaporated and it released from the top of a cooling tower. This power plant have four turbines. One is a high pressure turbine, one intermediate turbine, and two are the low pressure turbine. It is generate. There is a generator near the turbines, as you see in the left side of the video, and because of which the electricity is generated, as we discussed earlier. The final phase of a power plant, whole operation, the power transmission, it is there. Electricity is now passed through the transformer and then switchyard, which is connected to the grid of a power plant, which is ready to for distribution in a whole state. This power plant is distributing the electricity towards the four substation in the state.